How to wall mount your TV step by step. Get your TV in the right position. Before you start drilling holes, make sure you know exactly where you want your TV to go. You can always cut out a template of your TV and stick it on the wall first. That way, you can sit where you normally do to watch telly and then check everything lines up nicely. You'll know whether the TV is too high or too low right away. And you can mark the wall exactly where you want the center of your telly to be. If you've got small children or pets, you might also want to position it high enough so they can't reach it. Fix the mount to the wall. When you open up your TV bracket, it'll probably come in a few parts. Place the wall mount bracket against the wall, then mark with a pencil where you'll be drilling. Check first whether you're drilling close to any pipes or electrical cables. Now drill all your holes in the wall. Then place your raw plugs inside the holes. Position the bracket over the holes and attach it with screws. Grab your spirit level again and double check your bracket is straight. Then you can tighten up your screws when you're happy with it. Attach the bracket to your TV. This part should be nice and easy. Lay your TV screen down on a table or surface that's larger than the telly itself. Put some towels down first though to protect the screen from scratches. Then look for the mounting holes on the rear and firmly attach your bracket. Connect any cables and lift your TV into place. Connect your power lead, HDMI cable, soundbar, and anything else you want to attach before you mount your TV. This will make cable management way easier. Trying to access your inputs when the telly is flat against the wall isn't simple after all. With the help of someone else, lift the TV into place. Then secure the two bits of the bracket with a screwdriver or Allen key. This will depend on the kind of bracket you've got. Job done. Now you're ready to sit back, relax, and watch your perfectly placed TV. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share.